Yes, guys. Hope you guys are well. We're back again with another fantastic video, guys. Please stay right to the end because I want to show you a couple of things. Guys, look, I'm looking at the top 10, top 100, really. Top 100 products that are sold on Etsy right now in the past 30 days. Now, the list is long, but guys, I'm going to go through something that's really interesting, right? To maximize on your passive income, I'm going to go with something which is actually like massive market. So guys, listen, as usual, if you love digital products and you love getting that passive income, you love creating, designing, selling digital products, guys, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get all the new videos in your feed. Guys, I'm looking at one of the oldest niches in Etsy, right? And that's number 6 on my list on the popular list. Look at that. Handmade, minimalist, gifts for dad. Look, I'm touching on gifts for dad as well. Number 3 on the Etsy top 10 is gifts for dad, right? I'm coming back to that one. So just keep your eye on that. Number 6 is t-shirt, right? Number 6 is t-shirt. So I want to combine the two. Check this out. And then number 11 is personalized gifts for dad, right? And then we come down, and then number 17 is t-shirts. Guys, that's crazy. So out of the top 20, you got t-shirts coming in a couple of times. You got personalized gifts for dad. You got number 3, which is gifts for dad. Now look at all that volume there. Imagine how much volume is there with those very important keywords that people are searching for on a regular basis every month. And these are in the top 20, guys. So I'm going to combine personalized gift for dad with t-shirts. And you might say to me, but AJ, t-shirts are getting saturated. Look, t-shirts as a niche is massive. You got to find those nuggets within the niche so that you can rank in. And we're going to go with that right now, guys. Because look, what you're finding is sub niches. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to tick boxes where people are searching for something, but yet you're finding those little gems. Now, let's just go in a little bit further because you're going to like this, right? You're going to like my little trailer thought, hopefully. But look, t-shirts, right? We know about Etsy t-shirts. Look at the results. It's crazy. It's massive. But guys, with everything that I keep talking about, niche down, and then you're able to get in. But look, t-shirts is massive, guys, because there's a massive demand for these. People love t-shirts. People order them all the time. And they're really in demand. So, but like with anything, right? T-shirts, right? T-shirts. Now, you might be saying, but you're talking about digital downloads. Yeah, because you're gonna create a digital download, right? And then you're gonna connect it to Printify it. But look, check this out. T-shirts for men. Look, niching down. This is where we go niching down, right? T-shirts for men. Okay, right? Remember what I said about personalized. So t-shirts for men goes down. But we don't want just men. We're going to go for dads, right? T-shirt for dads because we're niching down, right? T-shirts dad. I'm just going to say t-shirts dad, right? So we've niched down. Actually, we've gone down quite a lot, by the way. Quite a lot, from 6 million to like 353,000, which is not bad. And then we go in further. Because what you do is you try to niche further down. Now, I've looked at all kinds of things. I'm going to go with one thing that I've looked at, and that's going to be t-shirts dad tiger, right? Look, I've gone down to like 743 results, right? I've gone tiny, okay? I've gone tiny. Look at these. There's some t-shirt. Look at these t-shirt designs. 1.3K reviews there. Look at this one. 17.2. Look at this tattoo tiger style. Okay. Now I've niched down. Look at this one. Look at this one. Tiger style. I've niched down, guys. It's crazy. But look, that's how you sell. And this one, t-shirts are not about getting a lot of money from one particular design. This is about actually seeing what works and replicating what works, okay? And let me just explain this. Let me go to EVERBEE, right? So I can analyze this a little bit further. So I've gone to t-shirts dad tiger, okay? Because what we noticed is in the top 20, you've got those keywords that are there. Gifts for dad, you got Remember what we looked at, right? T-shirts are there. So it's there's a lot going on there, right? But guys, I keep saying this. It's gonna be about go to the previous. It's gonna be about trying to get those little wins, if you like, for this one, right? And I'll show you what I mean by little wins. Okay, let me just go to this one. Let me just go to this one. So this T-shirt design, okay, this T-shirt, very simple T-shirt design, very simple, right? This gets $125, right? It makes $125. There you go, right? Let's have a look. $125. Now the thing about this, and it doesn't have to be tiger. There's many niches within, if you like the dad's T-shirt niche, which you can look at. Now imagine that particular listing might make $125, right? This person will sell many different types of T-shirts, okay, many different sizes. So what you have to do is you have to understand that if you're selling from one listing a particular amount, $125, if you've got similar different sizes, but obviously different colors and so on, design, you can actually, if you just say 10, for example, that's already 10 times 125, that's 1,250. So if you've got 10 variations of the T-shirt. So in this, what I'm trying to say is, in this game, in T-shirts, it's going to be volume related. It's about how many listings you got, right? So let me just go to Earth Custom, which is the shop. This is the store that sells many different, it says plus size, custom shirt, birthday gifts, and so on. So actually, they got loads of things, but they got mainly T-shirts, right? Okay. It says they got 2,238. Maybe not all 2,238 are T-shirts, but they are mostly T-shirts. So if I go to product analytics, right, and this is typical of many stores, right? Many stores, they're going to have a lot of volume. I've gone to the, where have I gone? Let me go to analyze all listings, sorry. So 2,238. Look, this is a typical example of what I'm talking about. Now, this store will sell many different types, okay? Including maybe gifts for teachers, gifts for dads, but loads of types. But look at look how much they're making. Right, this T-shirt makes 2,524. These T-shirts make 1,774. This one makes 1,177. Right, and the list goes on. Right, it gets less, obviously, but look how much. If you total that amount they're making thousands a month. Okay, cow skull desert sweatshirt, T-shirts, auntie's expensive, Easter Mama mini shirt, right? There's loads of T-shirts here, guys, right? Maybe not all T-shirts, but there's loads there and they're selling, guys. So it's about getting those small wins, right? Getting and then adding up to get thousands. So if your niche is T-shirts and you're sticking to maybe a T-shirt design, which is like, it could be, sorry, a tiger T-shirt design, which is like a gift for dads, personalized gift for dads, let's say. And that's your thing. It might be just tigers is your thing. It might be wolves is your thing. It might be skulls is your thing. But what I'm saying is, it's about having lots and lots of different listings that come together that actually make that monthly sale. So you might be getting $50, $100 from one listing. But if you're able to niche down into a really popular niche like T-shirts, but find those little gaps and then be able to create designs and sell, then that's what you do. And how you do this, guys, basically is, look, I'm going to show you just very quickly. So you could hook up your store. First of all, let's create a design, right? Let's be very quick with this. So I'm going to just say, stick to the tiger theme, right? It could be anything, but remember, you got to do your research, right? Simple tiger face drawing print in in black. Right? That's all I done. That's all I done. Simple tiger face drawing, print in black. Okay. I'm just looking at seeing how this one, because this one is selling, right? I look and see what sells, what is working, and I'm not gonna reinvent the wheel, guys. We don't need to reinvent any wheel, right? We just look at it and see what can work and try and do something similar. Okay. No reinvention here. See what works. Right, there we go. Check this out, guys. These look mad. These actually look wicked. I mean, look. I mean, I can imagine this on a t-shirt, to be honest with you. They look real cool, right? I'm just keeping it simple, guys. Look at this. Oof. Midjourney is mad. What is that? That looks crazy good, right? Upscale 4 straight away. I'm not even going to debate that one. That one's just straight to 4. Boom. Look at that. Mean. Wow. Okay, so listen, take that. Right? I don't need to upscale it crazy, right? That looks amazing. Don't you think that? I don't know how Midjourney is just the one. Anyways, I'm gonna go to my AI upscaler. This one I've been using lately. I told you guys, right? Check out the link in my description. This one, I use a few. I put a couple in the link in my description, right? But I really like this one. It's quick. It's free. So check it out, guys. There's another one that I use that's paid. It's also really good. But this one lately, it's doing a good job for me. So I'm gonna. This one's decent, right? Anyway, downloaded. I use that. Boom. There it is. I'm gonna go t-shirt. I don't need it that much scaled, right? I don't really need it that much scaled. It's gonna go full, which is still probably excessive, but that'll do. I mean, I'll just do that. Don't even need that really. Probably a bit too much, but it's okay. I really like to go for the high res. Always. I sometimes kind of got over the top, maybe. I scale it more than it needs to be. But I like it. I like it. Really, really crisp quality. I mean, look at this one. It's amazing, right? Download straight. Okay. So here we go. All I will do is that connect it, because look, what you have to do is validate, verify that something can sell, but try and get into a niche that is not saturated, right? If you're able to sell and get $100, $200 from a t-shirt, although there are people making a lot, but imagine you're doing various different tiger designs and you're able to sell $100 from one listing, 200 from another. It all adds up, and that's how you get that money. And then, so what you do is you just hook up, integrate Printify, which is fantastic, amazing, guys. You just hook up integrate Printify to Etsy. Doesn't take very long. Check out any video you can see on YouTube. They'll show you exactly how to do it. And then literally what you do is you just choose kind of any product that you want, and you can see there's what it is amazing, because there's all sorts of products here, right? You got phone cases, hats, baby accessories, mouse pads, kitchen accessories, anything that you want, t-shirts, men's clothing. Look, they're all here. Hoodies. You can branch out into not only t-shirts but do hoodies and other things. It's amazing. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Just go to t-shirt, go to the bestseller, because it works. I might even do the grey version. The grey one looks mad. Yeah, I'll do this. Right, look. I want to start designing. I already downloaded my AI quality design. So hook it up. That's the replicate one. That's probably over more than I need in terms of DPI, but it's okay. It'll tell me anyway. I mean, I know it'll be good quality. Probably the other one might work, but let's have a look at this because I want it crisp, guys. So it's uploading the design. And then, like I said, there you go. Done. Adding to file. Really quick. There's nothing to it, guys. It's really fast. Right. High res. Okay. Yeah. So it's a high enough res. Right. That's it. I mean, is it big? Should I do it a bit bigger? No, that's probably good enough. That's all I need. There you go. It's fine. Yep. Done. Save product. Let's have a look at the mock-up. Look at this. That looks cool, don't you reckon, guys? Yeah, that's it. That's all. That's all you need to do, right? That is all you need to do, guys. Don't you think it looks mad? It looks amazing. To be fair, yeah, that looks amazing. So there you go. Done. Right? Done. That's all you need to do. Integrate it. Get it there. Get it ready. And there you go. And then what you could do is you do different versions. And what I would do is I'd have different colors, different sizes, and so on. Have a mock-up. To be honest, I already got a mock-up there, which is amazing. Printify is that amazing mock-up. So yeah, guys, this is how you very quickly try to get into something that is actually working, right? Actually sells, actually verified, yeah, validated. You might even want to like try different versions, and you might want to even get even closer to the ones, the style that actually does sell. Because look, sometimes you might have although it's a tiger head, tiger face, but you want to try and get it maybe as close as to the really high sales, the selling ones, the ones that are selling really well, and that will go with the prompts. So when you go to Midjourney, just think about what the prompts are that you're writing in, and then hopefully you'll produce something that you can see is working really well. But very quick video of basically how to use digital products to actually sell on something like a t-shirt, guys. Very quickly, guys, that's all it is. Hope you like the video. Hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Hope to see you on the next one. Take care.